In this video, we are going to see about string inbuilt functions. Basically, string is immutable in nature. We cannot change the string if once we have written it. Here, why the string is immutable? Okay, see here. First, we see about functions. See here, len of is a function in string. It is used to find the length of the string. See here, channel is equal to programming with Pirai and print len of channel. See here, I have printing len of channel. Len is a function. Inside that, I am passing the channel. Now, it returns what is the length of the variable. Okay, what is the length of the value stored in the variable. So, what is the value stored in the variable? It is programming with Pirai and its length is 22. Okay, now see here, in next example, I am using the upper of function. In upper of function, it just convert the string into uppercase. What is uppercase? It's just it converts the all letter into the capital letter in the string. See here, channel is equal to programming with Pirai. Here, only the programming P and Pirai P are in capital letter and others are in small letters. Okay, by using this upper of method, it converts the string into capital letter. Okay, see here, I'm using channel dot upper of. So in this line, it prints programming with Pirai in capitalized manner. In next line, why it is printing that as it is in the given the starting of the line? Because string is immutable, it cannot be changed. Once we return the string, it cannot be changed. Okay, but we can store it in a different manner. How we can store channel is equal to channel dot upper of. Okay, we can store channel is equal to channel dot upper of. We are converting the string into uppercase and we are storing the string there. It is the meaning for the this statement. Channel is equal to channel dot upper of. Okay, by using this we can get the result as here, programming with Pirai in capital letter manner. Okay, see here, by this we can achieve the string to be converted into the capitalized manner. We cannot directly convert the string by using the upper of function because the string is immutable. Now, coming to the next. Next is lower of function. Okay, lower of function. It will changes the letter to the lower case. Now, see here, channel is equal to programming with Pirai. Here, it is of mixed type. Now, see here, channel dot lower of. It converts the all single letters to the lower case. See here, change. Okay, so I once again run this. Wait a second. Yeah, okay, and in next line it is immutable, so the output is as it is. We are given in the real assignment of the string. Okay, next next is title of method. What is the use of title of method? It just capitalize the every first letter of the all words in the string. Okay, see here, it capitalize this programming P and it capitalize the W, then this P. Okay, let's see it here, it capitalized the first word of the string. Now see here, next is swap case. For swap case, it converts the lowercase into uppercase and uppercase into lowercase. See here, channel is equal to programming with Pirai. Here, it changes the capital letter into small letter and small letter to capital letter. See the output. Okay. Now, Next one is count of function. Count of function is used for counting the specific character in the given string. See here, programming with Pirai, and I am counting the number of p's present in the string. Okay, see here, there are two p's present in the string. Hence, the output is 2. Now, the index of function. Index of function is used to find the first occurring element from the left side. It moves from left to right. Okay. See here, I am returning the channel dot index of p. Okay. Where the first p is located, it is at 0th index. Channel dot r index of p. Here it represents from right to left. Okay, R index represents from right to left. From right to left, the P is at the index of 17. Okay, so hence the output is 0 and 17. What if we give a character which is not present in the string? Let us see that. I just remove the comment and run. See here, it gives or arises an error. Okay, it arises an error. To avoid that, we use find of operator. Sorry, find of function. See here, in find of function, if there is unavailability of a character which we given as an input, then it provides the output as -1. Okay, it works as it is like an index, but a small difference is when a character is not found, then it returns -1, whereas index of function will arises error. Okay. Now, stripe. Stripe of. Stripe of is a function which is used to cut the starting space and the ending space. See here, I have written space programming with Pirai, and after I have used ending with a space. Now, as I told earlier, the string is immutable. When I use channel.stripe of, it prints the programming with Pirai value without space. But when I print channel alone, it only prints programming with Pirai as a original string. So see here difference. See here, programming with Pirai as a stripe without a space at the starting point and the ending point. There will be space between the words, but there is no space at the starting and ending point. Whereas, see here, at the original, there is a space at the starting point and the ending point. Okay, this is the use of stripe of function. Now, see here, these are the 4 problems in the strings for practice. See here, first problem, replace the character from the string without using inbuilt function. Example, string is equal to Python and get the values from the string, from the user. Okay, get the value from the user and get the source and get the destination and return the result. Okay, if the user gives Python as the string and from is the O and 2 is I, then result will be PYTHIN. Okay, O is replaced to I. Then second is check the string is palindrome or not without using inbuilt function. You must check whether the string is palindrome or not. What is mean palindrome? If we reverse the string and the reverse string and the original string are equal, then it is called as a palindrome. Else it is not. Okay. Then third one is count the vowels from the string without using inbuilt function. What are the vowels? Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, and be careful, there are both lowercase letter and uppercase letter. So you may do in 2 methods. One is you can convert the cases to either of lowercase or uppercase, then proceed the method, or else just add the lowercase and uppercase letter in the if condition. Okay. Then fourth one is password validation. So you must check whether the password is valid or not. Get the password from the user, then check whether the password is valid or invalid. What are the conditions? The password should be of length 8, the password should contains at least one uppercase and one lowercase. The password should contain at least one number. The password contains at least one special character. Then it is valid. If any one of this is not there, then the password is invalid. Okay, these are the problems in the string. I will be discussing these problems in next video. Okay.
If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get notification. If you have any doubts, let me know in comment section. Thank you guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.